Welcome to SkillHub. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad you found this channel. SkillHub is a place where we break down digital skills, IT, and practical tech knowledge in a simple step-by-step way. Skills you can actually use to grow your income, improve your career, and build financial stability. Whether you are a beginner or looking to upgrade your skills, you are in the right place. Here we'll learn, we'll grow, and we'll level up together. No confusing jargons, just clear teachings and real value you can apply immediately. If this sounds like something you need, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who also want to learn digital skills and improve their finances. Once again, welcome to SkillHub. Let's build skills that pays the bills.